Welcome to Instant AdSense Templates VRE Building System. This is Eric Homeland, and I'm going to show you how to customize the color and style of a template using CSS. Okay, so for this demo, once again, we're going to use the first template, the bicycles one. So let's open up that index file in a browser. Here's what it looks like. Unfortunately, we can't quite see all of it because this video window is kind of small. Okay, and what is causing this page to look the way it looks is this CSS file right here. It's cascading style sheets, and basically we have used CSS for all of the stylistic elements of the templates. Okay, last time in the first generation of Instant AdSense templates, we actually embedded a lot of the stylistic elements into the templates themselves. This time we wanted to make it easier and better. For one thing, it's more browser friendly. It's the progressive way to do things. You know, this is XHTML validated through W3C or whatever it is. Okay, so we're using the cascading style sheets. Now, if we were to take away this style sheet, let's go ahead and delete it for a minute, and then we'll refresh this. As you can see, all the style just disappears. Okay, it doesn't look very good, does it? All the font formatting disappears, the background color disappears, the table colors disappear. It's just really plain. So we'll go ahead and put that back. Refresh that again, and you can see all of those things are being controlled by the CSS file. So obviously that would make sense. If we want to change any of those elements, we would change it through the CSS file, not through the HTML file. So let's open up the CSS file in Notepad, which pretty much everyone should have, and I'm just going to go through a couple of basic changes here. If you want to learn a lot about CSS, let me find the link here. This is a good site to learn about it. It's w3schools.com, and they've got CSS tutorials, HTML tutorials, XHTML. So, in fact, this is interesting. They're using Google AdSense to monetize their site, so that's cool. In fact, quite well. They've got it at the top here, and they've got some more down here. Blend in perfectly with the content of the site. But anyway, they've got a CSS tutorial here and examples, references. They've got lists of all the different tags that you can use. Again, that's w3schools.com. That's not an endorsement. This is not. We have absolutely no affiliation with this site whatsoever. But I happen to have found it helpful in learning it for myself, so I wanted to pass on that link to you. Okay, back to our tutorial now. So I'm just going to change a few things here to show you kind of what we can do. So say the background color. You know, say we just want to change, you know, the color of the background. Save that. Go back. We'll refresh this page, and you can see now that that background is blue instead of that maroon color. Okay, so let's say we want to change something else. Go back. Let's say I want to change this the background color of this navigation bar. Okay. Save it, and we'll refresh the browser, and you can see I just changed that navigation bar background color to red. And then if I wanted to make these AdSense ads blend in, then I'd go in and change those as well. Let's say I want to change the font style. I'm going to find the I believe we call that normal. So let's change it from Arial to Verdana. I want to make it something that's obvious that you can notice the difference. We'll change it all the way to 18 pixels instead of 12. So we'll save that, go back, refresh it again, and you can see this text right here the way it is now. Now it's a different font and a different size. And all of these things are changed using the CSS file. And the cool thing about that is that, say you went ahead and developed your entire site using this template, okay, and then all of a sudden you want to give your site a makeover. You don't have to go back through and change every HTML page individually. All you need to do is go back and tweak some things in this one little CSS file, and that controls the entire website. So I hope you learned a few things from this. Again, if you want to learn more about CSS, go back and check out those online tutorials. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.